clubs were the earliest weapons, like in these pics from a Google search. How could one even make clubs like these? And how useful would they have been? The African knobkerrie is its most useful wooden form, and is deadly when aimed at the skull. It's also relatively easy to make from a bush or a tree. It needs just 3 cuts, plus a lot of scraping. A spear is even simpler to make. It needs only 2 cuts and a lot less scraping. Spears are the other plausible effective weapons, and their 2 kinds of use have importantly different effects. The throwing spear can strike distant prey that's trying to escape, and if it lodges in the body, further movement is so painful that it slows or stops the animal. That's useful in hunting. The thrusting spear has an opposite use. It can stop an attacker, keep it at a distance, and take the initiative from it. Unlike the throwing